Okay guys, so I'm working on the tail for the mermaid, and I've just showed you what I used, which was this pack where I get me printer ink from, and I wanted something that was plastic, and this is literally the only thing I could find. So I want the smooth bit out of the bottom of this. Okay, now I've got that. So I'm just going to get one of the nails that I was practicing with, so just ignore that what's on there. That's not even being into consideration. So obviously I've got to try, let me bring you in a little bit. I've got to try and get something which is going to be in line with the shape of the nail, or how big the nail is. You can't have a nail like that and then a huge tail coming down here, because that just doesn't go. And this is the first time I'm doing it, so you're literally seeing it with me. Okay, so I'm going to do a trick that I've done before, and that's just get the picture up on my phone, and this is like tracing paper. There, I have got the image that I want. So now I'm going to cut round that. Okay, so next I'm going to try and glue that onto the plastic. Here we go. I don't know how good this is going to do. As I say, this is the first time that I've done anything like this. Okay, so that is on there and it's not going to move. So now I can get the acrylic and go around this, because I have my template already fixed down. Okay, so these are the powders I'm using, well, glitters. That powder there is metallic pink, and that's from NAIO nails, and these are from Banggood, and these are what I'm going to use for the mermaid tail. So first I'm just going to go around the shape with the metallic pink. So I've just put 2 coats on there. So now I'm going to start with the pink and fade the way down with the different colours. Okay, so I'm just going to wait for that to dry now, and then I'm going to encapsulate it. So for this part of the filing, I'm just using a really thin crystal and drill bit. I think this is to get all the rubbish from at the back of the nails, I'm not quite sure. And I'm just using this to make like some scales type thing at the bottom of the tail. And then for the main body of the tail, I'm just using a medium crystal and drill bit. I also decided to file the paper off at the back of the mermaid's tail as well, just so it's nice and smooth. So now I'm happy with everything, I'm just going to get some of NAIO's Mega Gloss Gel Seal and put a coat of top coat on. I've got to say guys, I really enjoyed doing this. This was absolutely, hand on heart, swear to God, my first attempt at doing this. I just thought I'd turn the camera on because I know people who watch the video would maybe want to see how I made the tail. So yeah, I'm just going to cure that for 60 seconds now, and that is it. But I do hope you enjoyed this video, guys. Thank you so much for watching, guys, and I hope to see you in my next. Bye!